Bangkok, a city of contrasts, where ancient temples rise beside skyscrapers and hidden canals weave beneath busy streets. Bangkok is one of the most fascinating cities in the world. Imagine four travelers arriving in search of the spirit of Bangkok. Instead, they found only noise, heat, and endless lines. Until one thing changed. With Siamnity, Thailand's first app for immersive cultural experiences off the beaten path, Bangkok reveals another side of its magic. Every destination and every route is designed to connect you with Siam's cultural heritage. Step into Bangkok's creative soul with Rock Around Creative District, a 5 to 8 hour guided walking tour through Ban Rak, Thonburi, Talat Noi, Chinatown, and Ratchathani. Travel back to 1882 with Rock Around Ratanakosi, a 5 to 8 hour private guided loop on foot. Explore historic forts, defensive walls, moats, fortified gates, and canals. Cycle Bangkok's Green Lump with Rock Around Bakachao, a 5 to 8 hour excursion across this man-made island. Follow shady paths to eco-temples, recycling innovations, and flood management systems. Through immersive audio guides, playful activities, and curated itineraries, Siamnity connects you to the cultural soul of Bangkok and eternal Siam. Every journey is crafted by experts and insiders, blending history, art, and daily life into something authentic and unforgettable. At the end of their journeys, our four travelers meet again. Different paths, same destination. Because culture connects us.